Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. In this short video, I want to say a few words about the latest updates of Django Material Kit, the premium version. The product has been updated to support teamable UI installation, where the design the design is no longer hard coded inside the product and comes as a external library. Using this private repository. So basically, starting for this from this version, the design will be the updates of the design will be automatically available for all the users that purchase the product using only a simple pip installation. And also another evolution is the continuous integration, continuous deployment flow that is shipped with the product in order to make the product deployable on top of render deployment infrastructure without any efforts. Let's take a look at the demo, which now is deployed on render. So the product has a super nice user interface, a lot of widgets, a lot of components. The design is quite a popular one from creative team. Let's authenticate and check out the private pages. Okay, let's create a new user. Yes, I will type here the password in order to provide it correctly in the sign in and registration page. Okay, so this is the interface. The product comes with many sample pages, many components. In my opinion, is one of the best Booster 5 designs on the market. And as I said before, now the product supports deployment on render using only clicks. Uh, let's try a deployment on render. So basically, I will duplicate the repository. Let me do some updates on the repo. Okay. Now the project is duplicated. I will edit the requirements in order to remove the token from here, because AppSeed being already authorized is not a token is not necessary. The token is necessary only for external users that needs to use the product, and this GitHub token is provided during the purchase. Okay, and also we need to update this line because the name of the service should be unique. Okay, now we have here the repository. I will access my render dashboard. For newcomers, render it's a deployment infrastructure quite similar to Heroku, but has many other things on top. Decent pricing, a lot of scaling options horizontally and vertically. So the interface is super nice and intuitive, and we choose render as a deployment infrastructure for all our kits, and we think it was a good choice. Okay, I will drop here the product. Now we need to wait a little bit in order to basically deploy the product. You can check out here progress. Okay, let's force a new deploy. In the end, we should have something like this. The application should be fully usable just by creating in render a new blueprint. We provide the repository, the installation, the platform accept the request, install all the packages, and the product should be live without any efforts. Okay, I will check out later the why it's not working. So guys, this is the product. In case anyone have issues, feel free to access the product page. Go here to the support link, send us an email, or simply join the Discord and chat with our team one to one. We are there to provide help and solve all the issues. Um, Let us know what is missing from the product, what models we should have, and we will try to assist. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye, guys.